We are learning to use blends in our writing. This is my blends chart. Let's practice saying each of the blends. Blue, blah. Bread, brr. Chair, ch. Clown, cl. Crab, cr. Drum, dr. Flowers, fl. Frog, fr. Glasses, gl. Green, gr. Knife, n. Phone, f. Plant, pl. Present, pr. Queen, qu. Scarf, sk. Shoe, sh. Skip, sk. Slide, sl. Smoke, sm. Snail, sn. Spider, sp. Star, st. Swing, sw. Thumb, th. Tree, tr. 20, tw. Wheel, w. When you are writing a story, you might hear some blends in some words that you want to write. I am going to write this sentence. I flew over the trees in a plane. My first word is I. My next word is flew. Flew. I can hear a blend at the start of flew. Fl. That's FL like flowers. Flowers and flew start with the same sound. Flew. I flew over. I flew over the. I flew over the trees. Trees. I can hear a blend in trees. Tr. There it is. Trees starts with a TR. Trees. I flew over the trees in a plane. Plane. Plane starts the same as plant. So plane starts with a PL. Plane. I flew over the trees in a plane. I use my blends chart to help me write the blends that I heard at the start of those words. Now I want to write the sentence, the small dog was black and quiet. The small, sm. I can hear a blend at the start of small, sm. Small starts the same as smoke, small. So small must start with an SM, small. The small dog, D-O-G. The small dog was. The small dog was black. Black. Oh, I can hear another blend there. Black starts the same as blue. So black must start with a BL. Black. The small dog was black and. The small dog was black and quiet. Quiet. Qu. I can hear another blend there. Quiet starts the same as queen. So quiet must start with a QU. Quiet. The small dog was black and quiet. I use my bleens chart to help me write the bleens that I heard at the start of those words.